Hi friends, welcome to Royal Fires. Friends, today I'm gonna show you how to prepare Tawa palav. It's so simple and easy method that everyone can try it. Let's get into the recipe. Take a pan, add 2 spoons of oil to the pan. Now add 1 spoon of butter. Here I have taken Amul butter. You can take as of your choice. Stir it so that butter melts well. Now add spoon of jeera. Then add some curry leaves. Add chopped onions. Give a stir. And leave it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 chopped tomatoes to the fried onions. And once again give a stir and leave them to boil. The tomatoes should cook well. Now add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of red chili powder. Give a stir. After adding both red chili powder and turmeric powder, now add 1 spoon of pav bhaji masala, and once again give a stir. Adding 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir it again once finally. Now add boiled vegetables. I've taken carrot, potatoes and peas. So you can add some other vegetables which you would like to. So after adding vegetables, mix all the vegetables once. Now finally add cooked rice to the pan. I have taken here basmati rice. Add 1 spoon of salt and mix the rice well so that vegetables and all masalas should mix up well with rice. After that, serve it into a bowl. Serve it hot or normal. Both taste good as well as hot or normal. Okay friends, hope so you liked my video recipe. Not only liking my video friends, you need to give a comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.